I wish I would be a doll so that I would be with them on the dance floor. Enough. Come out of your dream. Thank you, D-Doll. Thank you, Disco Dolls. Thank you. Hi. Good evening. My sweet name is Rayadia. I am studying in LKG. I am grateful to my teachers. I like to spend more my time in the school than at home. I love my mama and papa. Thank you. Hi, good evening, Ananda. I am Akash from studying KG. This is first annual day. Mama and International School. I am so happy. I heartily welcome at this colorful function. First, I want to say thanks to my parents. They have joined me this school. My school is very beautiful. I want to say thanks to my. I want to say few words about my school is very beautiful. I like all my teachers and friends. I want to say thanks to my teachers, friends, driver uncles, cleaners, and I auntie. Thank you for giving me opportunity to share my words. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you.
Uday, our 10 dolls of LKG are being spent bunch of dolls to sell by the doll dance.
Shamir, be ready to buy the dolls. Come, let's have look at the dolls.
Uday, did you buy the dolls?
Hi Shamir, I bought Channa Patan doll. Look, how it is nodding the head.
I am a cute doll of this Manantara.
man.
Kirtana, here is a story about an old lady of Somanali.
She thinks that just because of her cock the sun is rising and the day stars.
The villagers are living happily just because of her grace.
Now let's watch the dance performance by 4th and 5th standard students for the song Malinana Mulinaga. To my teachers, I let go of them for my test. In the go, then I come. I love my Mangatara. Thank you. What is my wish? Yeah, Pragna, to be an actress or to be a doctor. Ha! You are right, but I wish to fly in the air like a bird. Even I have the same wish. How nice it would be if we were like birds under a big banyan tree of Malnada forest with great pleasure and enjoy. Our UKG person enjoy the evening by dancing. problem. Wow, what a performance. The snake dance was amazing. Thank you, Loli Bag. So that the success will be ours. Thank you, UKG Bats. Thank you. Hi, good evening. My sweet name is Danu. I am studying in LKG. I am grateful to my teachers. I like to spend my time in the school. Then I come allow my Sada. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My sweet name is Afrinta. I'm studying in LKG. I like to spend more my time in the school than at home. I love my Mamantara. Thank you. My sweet name is Sushta. I'm studying in first standard. I want to share my best moments in this Mamantara family. When I joined this school, I scared as a new atmosphere to me. But now I am in front of you. On this days, it is just because of the gracious motivation given by my teachers. Manantara is a second spring where every leaf is a flower, not only in church but also in sports, cultural events, the entire stars and their which we see me as a blessed with us. Children go to the place where I can be molded in the desired fashion. To this society, I will be the unique and ultimate elite order of Manantara and my family. Life is a flower which Manantara is the honey. I love my school. I thank my parents for making me a part of this Manantara. Thank you.
For our action.
Yes, Bindu, you are right. There are two kinds of effect, good effect and bad effect.
Our friends are ready to show our
continues. Music continues. Music continues. It continues. It continues. It continues.
Wow! Great! What a performance did you enjoy?
Definitely, I understand the effects of our action.
Thank you friends for your performance.
Thank you friends for making us and understand the effects of our action.
Thank you. Ma'am, after Goa trip our LKG kids are in the vegetable garden to play and enjoy.
So let's all join them in the vegetable garden to get little bit of refresh. What a charming and enjoyment we all had with our LKG kids in the vegetable garden.
Thank you for your cute performance.
I thank all the kids of LKG for the sweet performance of their cute dance.
Shreyas, where are you? Come soon, it's getting late. Harsha, wait, I am coming. I know our talent. Let's together welcome the students of UKG to perform a beautiful dance from the Kongani song. Ho Maria Pitache, Ho Maria Pitache.
Pitache, oh Maria 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 Pitache. Maramani maro teri Maria, maramani maro teri Maria, maramani maro teri Maria. No, barra da mão iluzista de convida, barra da mão iluzista de convida. Alegna entrada me iluzir, triste na saída. Alegna entrada me iluzir, triste na saída. Rapariga vem me iluzir, não se pode ser. Rapariga vem me iluzir, não se pode ser. Como a feira vem me iluzir, não se pode comer. Como a feira vem me iluzir, não se pode comer. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Tire la ta, subire mia aina. Tire la ta, subire mia aina. Quelle cosa di farme ali, Mary Maria. Quelle cosa di farme ali, Mary Maria. Oh yeah. Con il bandito appena osca barenga. Forza barenga, e alle festiglie barenga. Cingam barenga, dopo come si barenga. Sala sandela se chinga. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache.
Story of Archeritis in the Mahabharata?
Yes, Kirtana. I have read it more than 3 times and in Arjuna is my best character in Mahabharata.
Me too, because he had a clear. When shooting the bird, he saved only eyes of the bird, not any other thing.
Friends want to play skit of Archeritis.
Now let's go and watch it.
Good evening. My sweet name is Punitra. I am studying in LKG. I am dance with me. I feel me as a blessed. Children go to the place, they have fun and excitement, but they wish to stay where there is love. I feel this is the best place where I can be molded in the desired fashion to the society. I will be the unicorn that make tiny toddler of Manvantara and my family. Life is a fun for which Manvantara is the honey. I love my school. I thank my parents for making me a part of this Manvantara. Thank you.
ಪೋಷಕರು ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತ್ರಾಸಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಕಾಣದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಹಿಂಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು, ಶಾಲಾ ಕೊಠಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Ayintara. Sandina Arjuna is the best character in Mahabharata. Me too, because he had a clear aim. When shooting the bird, he saved only eyes of the bird, not any other things. Our friends want